we're installing a two-way cleanout here today. We got the guys hard at work. There's the materials that we're going to install. We got Jose in here, working hard. We're going to install those two sanitary keys so we can rod out future access. This is a kitchen line repair that we're doing. They're not able to rod out their sewer. Jose's cutting up the cast iron, getting it removed, so we can install this two-way cleanout system. This kitchen line is only accessible from inside the building, and there's so much grease in there. So we gotta install this access so we can do it from the outside versus making a huge mess in these condo buildings that are really nice inside.
Oh, you guys like to tell jokes and giggle and kid around, huh? Let's go to work.
Clean it all up, obviously, but now they have double access. This is the correct way to install a clean out. So this is a double clean out. The sanitary keys, you rod them and it goes one way, and you rod it and it goes the other way. They're directional keys that make it easier for the plumber to have access when he's doing drain cleaning. Rescue Plumbing, working hard. We're gonna close this back up, put the concrete back. Yes, sir, we passed inspection. We are the best. Thank you very much. Rescue Plumbing.